jumping off the cliff, gotta take a trip. Slow ride when I'm off the shit. Buckle in, kid. Lullabies soothing you with rest.
What's up, YouTube? So I figured the best way to start off this channel or this build was to let you guys know just a little bit about myself. I'm a huge fan of motorcycles, cars, and what I have here today is a collectible. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this box open real quick so you guys can see what it is exactly I'm talking about. Open up the box, and I am a huge fan of the Ghostbusters. A huge fan. So we've got a poster of the Ecto-1. It's a pretty huge poster. We'll probably go in the garage somewhere. I'm gonna give it a chance, which is neat. And let's fold this up and get it out the way. And then we also have here, these are technically issues that point you in the right direction in this build. It comes with the parts. It'll go through instructions, and we'll start here shortly, and we'll get pumping away here. Now, the only thing with this build is it's going to come in the segments of maybe, I think, 3 months. They don't send you the entire car at one time. They send you the pieces of the car at a time. I'm assuming now that it's going to come within 3 months. Now, I could be wrong, but this is the first and the second issue right here. And then here's the introductory. These guys are from Eaglemoss Herocollector. You see it up there. Try to zoom in so you guys can see. And then I have a detailed description below showing where you guys can order yours if anybody's ever interested in doing this. That's supposed to be the end result once it's complete. Matter of fact, let me get some of this stuff out the way. Right here is the grill components. All right. And the hood components. Now, this is all I received this time around. But again, this is the introductory. I said this would be the end result once it's finished. The hood opens, the doors open, it comes with lights, and I believe sounds, an actual roof rack, which is pretty neat, all the way to the brake lights, the moving wheels. There is a glass case that is associated with this that you can order too. And I have all that information in the bottom, so if anybody's interested, you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, and you can go ahead and purchase your own. So this is you can visit the website at herocollector.com /Ghostbusters-car for more information here. But again, I'll have that link down below too. All right. So, with that being said, what we're gonna do is stop right here for now, and we're gonna pick up where we left off once I get the rest of the pieces in. All right, I appreciate you guys for. So again, let me guys know what you guys think. Give me some pointers, some tips, what you guys might want to see next, and I'll see you guys on the other side. All right.